In this video, I will show you how to get WhatsApp in your smartwatch. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to connect the internet on your smartwatch. So I swipe down and right now you can see there have two options, SIM data or Wi-Fi. I have no SIM card on my smartwatch right now. That's why I select Wi-Fi. So after that, go back and you just need to find out Play Store. So here you can see this is Play Store. Just open it and go to search bar and you just need to type WhatsApp and then search it. Right now here you can see this is WhatsApp Messenger. I already installed on my smartwatch. So you simply tap on install and you can easily install it. Right now I'm just going to show you. Here you can see this is WhatsApp. Just open and give your phone number to log in. So this is very easy to get WhatsApp on your smartwatch. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.